So in this video, you'll learn how to enable auto factory reset on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So this is a feature that after 20 failed unlock attempts on your tablet, it will go through a reset process, deleting every single bit of data on the tablet. This is mostly for security reasons, in case someone takes your tablet. After they try unlocking it after 20 attempts, it will just erase all the data. So if you want to enable the security feature so that you're always sure that your data will be kept secure, then what you're going to do is just navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to scroll and select lock screen. And then from here, you're going to tap on the option secure lock settings. Enter in the current PIN, password or pattern. And then once you've entered it in, you should see auto factory reset with a toggle next to it. So to enable it, just tap on the toggle like that. And now you can even see it states underneath, after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your tablet, it will be reset to factory default settings and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. So if you're fine with that, you can just leave it enabled, and then you can now close the settings app with the changes being applied to your tablet. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.